This is TDP 1.5 single punch tablet press machine. When you get this machine, you can run it by your hand. Do not do that with the electrical power. Just try and to see with your hand if it works smoothly. Do not get the power in that. If it works smoothly, then you put some powder and put. Now before we run this machine, some screw cannot be moved. This one, and this two, this button two. The totally 3 screw cannot be moved. Now we get some powder in the boot. Then you see this powder in the boot. We already put that. At the first, we suggest also run it by your hand manually. Now you can see I do not try a lot of power, so the tablet is not very hot, you see. Now we need to enhance the pressure, and I will show how to adjust the pressure. The first, lose the top screw on the top. You see the punch screw, the top one. Then we focus on the button. See, turn the screw to the clockwise. It can enhance the pressure, and turn that to the counterclockwise. It will reduce the pressure. Now we can see that it's more hot than before. Then we increase more. You can get the sound. The voice is different as before, so the heart is okay. You can test that with your hand. And when we got the right pressure, we will lock the top screw with the 2 hands. Yeah. Turn that to clockwise and you tight it. Screw tight. Then we can make pressure. Yeah. You see the tablet, the tablet hardness is okay, but its thickness is not okay. So we need to reduce the thickness to make the tablet more thin. The 2 screw, the upper one, you do not need to move that. Just adjust the button one. You see, turn this button screw to the clockwise. It can reduce the thickness of the tablet. You can see we turn a circle, then we see the result. After we turn that, we lock this 2 screw. We turn the upper the button screw to the clockwise. Then we also need to reduce the pressure from the top. Reduce the pressure, we turn the screw to the counterclockwise, means turn to the right. It's the 1 circle, the same as the button. then we see this. Yeah, the pressure is not enough, so we increase some pressure and turn the screw. A little bit more. Then we compare to see is a little bit thin than before. You see that? If you think this is a little bit thick, you also can reduce that as before. You see, lose this screw. You turn the button screw to the counterclockwise is enhance. It's increase the thickness of the tablet. If we turn the button screw to the clockwise, it will be reduced. The tablet will be reduced. I will show you the upper screw. What is used for the upper screw? Normally you do not move this. It adjusts the position of the upper punch die. You see that? We turn that to clockwise. You see the punch die will be lower than the before. If we turn that to the clockwise, see the punch die will be more higher than before. You know, you need to adjust that to the horizontal, the same. Now you can touch that with your finger. You can feel that. Then lock this. The upper screw do not need to move when they're normally used. Okay, this is okay. You can test that with the electrical power. The red one is the point move and the stop. The green one is just run automatically. We test that with the red one. You see that? Is it okay? And we just put the green one. See, this is it. Thank you.